This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Great opportunity to purchase a home in Royal Harbor. This spacious and open floor plan 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home in the 55+ gated waterfront community of Royal Harbor. The home features a foyer with an open concept living room which opens to the screened-in floor room. The home features a spacious dining room that opens up to the enclosed porch with a hot tub for great privacy. The primary bedroom is huge with a walk-in closet which opens to the primary bathroom which features dual sinks and a walk-in shower. The second bedroom with a split floor plan with a second full bathroom. The home features newer appliances in the kitchen with dual pantries for all your storage needs. There is a eat-in space in the kitchen. This home features a laundry room right off of the kitchen with a 2-car garage. Upgrades done to the home: a new air conditioner, Key West shutters, new motor for garage door opener, landscaped yard and so much more. This move-in ready home is located in Royal Harbor, a sought-after 55+ active adult community nestled on the shores of Little Lake Harris, on the Harris chain of lakes. Enjoy lush tropical landscaping, walking and biking paths, lakefront dock, and activities galore. The Clubhouse has a large social hall where you can enjoy dinners, dances, shows, and classes. There is also a fitness room, arts and crafts room, billiards, library, and more. Outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy the heated and screened pool and spa, tennis and pickleball, bocce, shuffleboard, and more. Something for everyone. There's even RV, boat and trailer storage. Come and see today. For more information, review the details below.